G'day folks, this is just going to be a quick little video. I got this package in the mail. Some of you are aware that I did hit 100,000 subscribers about a month and a half ago. And for those of you who aren't aware, when you hit 100,000 subscribers, YouTube sends you an award, a plaque. So really, I am just floored that I even reached 100,000. I started my YouTube channel, I believe it was April 21st of 2016. And when I started the channel, it was actually named something really random. It was like Sean's RC Drones and GoPro stuff or something like that. It was some really long random name. And then I shortened it down shortly after to Air Photography, just something that's a little bit easier to remember. And I'm really just shocked that I even hit 100,000. I remember sitting at about 12 subscribers for what seemed like forever, like months and months. And not even going up one subscriber. And then just slowly subscribers started coming in, trickling in at first, and then momentum picked up. I make tutorials and different things like that, and I've learned so much. Just when I make a video, people make comments and we discuss stuff, and I learned things that I had no clue about, and that's kind of the beauty of YouTube. It's a great community to learn stuff and to share information. So this arrived in the mail today, actually. It was supposed to come yesterday, but for some reason it never showed up, but it came today. And I wanted to unbox it on YouTube because if it wasn't for my subscribers and you guys, I wouldn't have been able to get this award. So I wanted to share the moment with you as I take it out. So yeah, let's just open it up and we will check it out. So we have a letter. And let's see what it says. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd really like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Interesting. We also have a card. Congratulations on your milestone. This is from the company that makes the awards. Let's pull it out of the wrapper. And they're presented to Air Photography for passing 100,000 subscribers. Fair amount of weight to that. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. So I'm probably going to hang it up there right in front of me. And yeah, it'll look nice there. Anyways, folks, I really want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos, for taking the time to subscribe, for the interest in my channel that you would subscribe. I can't wait to see what new tech is waiting for us around the corner. Hopefully we'll see a new drone from DJI in the next few months, maybe early next year. The GoPro Hero 8 is coming out on October 1st, so that's going to be huge. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. And maybe, hopefully in a few years, maybe we'll do another one for 1 million subscribers. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next one.